That's real turmeric. Come. Yellow yam. These are yellow yam. I will show them how you plant yellow yam. You plant it in the ground and then you stick it and the vine run and you stick. You understand?
Vine?
Yeah, the vine run and you stick. And that's cocoa.
Cocoa.
Yeah. And you have gungo. This is gungo. Like the gungo peas that we were shelling. That's gungo. Right? And this is a little pear tree. And this is a pear tree again. But the yam will overshadow this one. So when we dig the yam next week, we can clean our own. These are turmeric. A good turmeric, right?
These are peppers.
Oh, yes, that's pepper.
Bell
Look
peppers.
at this. This is a nice, what do you call this again? Papaya. This papaya. More turmeric. This sugar cane again. These are planting.
Bell peppers.
Show them the yam ground. All these yam can soon dig up by next week.
Yam
next month as well. See, yam Jane are playing, you know.
More bell peppers. Turmeric.
Yeah. You could try turmeric, you know. You could try this. If they're right. So we can go make turmeric. Pull it up. Ah, look at this. Wow, look at turmeric. It's yellow.
Can look at
Real
ginger.
turmeric. Real turmeric. Oh boy. Look at this. Go ahead. See them there? Turmeric. Show them turmeric. Wow, pure turmeric in the ground. Turmeric, watch this. Wow. This E&J lifestyle. Look. You hear it? Yeah. Watch this. Go there. Look on turmeric.
Now one tree.
What? Look at turmeric. It's all the land fertile. Look at turmeric. One little root. Where? No. You don't see this yet. That's how you plant it. You dig back the hole and you plant the suckers. So you see how much increased sucker we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice sucker. So tomorrow we plant them. We're not going to plant them now. See? We left them there. So tomorrow we plant them. Right? So we're going to leave them here and then we go around them, show the people them more stuff, and then we come back. That's real turmeric. Come. Planting tree again.
Planting.
Yeah. So you have to keep it clean. When you keep it clean, it's more better.
More bell peppers.
See? More better. So next week now, when we finish the construction, we're gonna come down here and clean out all of this here. This is going all the way back now. Cocoa, more turmeric. Ah, this one. This one is a nice, we call it soursop. This is a nice soursop tree. Nice soursop. And this is a nice tea bush. Good for cold.
Soon to be cantaloupe.
Yeah. Good for cold. And this is a nice coconut. A coconut tree. Show them these big sugar cane.
Big sugar canes.
Show them sugar cane. Wow.
Sugar
It's very
cane.
massive. Look at sugar cane, guys. Show the people sugar cane. Wow. And they're farming not going, man. Look at grass. We're gonna put a cow in here and show the people in tomorrow. When we make the next video, we put a cow inside there. Alright, so we're gonna head out now. So bye for now, people. Bye for now, bye for now. We're busy now.